A box contains 600 screws, 1/10 are rusted. One screw is taken out at random from this box. Find the probability that it is a good screw. So total number of screws is 600. 1/10, that is 10% is rusted. So 10% of that 600 will be 60. So if number of rusted screws are 60, so number of remaining, that is the good screw, are 540. So whenever anybody taking out one screw out of that good one, so the 540 C1, and in the denominator part, that is number of possible outcome will be 600 C1. So if you are a class 10 student, if you don't have the knowledge of the permutation or combination, so better proceed in that way. The number of possible favorable outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes. Okay, so favorable by possible. So here 540 will be favorable outcomes and 600 will be possible outcome. That comes to 9 by 10. So the answer will be the here 9 by 10. In a lottery, there are 5 prize tickets. There are 5 prize tickets, that is the 5 tickets for which the candidates will get prize, and 995 blank tickets. Okay. A person buys a lottery ticket. Find the probability of his winning a prize. So total number of tickets 995 plus 5 is equal to 1000. Okay, the probability that a candidate will win a prize. So the favorable outcome will be only 5, and the total will be 1000, because 995 plus 5, that comes to 1000. So in the denominator part, the possible outcome, so possible outcome will be 1000 and favorable outcome should be 5. So 5 by 1000, that is the 200. Okay. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So total number of defective pens is 12. Total number of good pens is 132. So total number of pins will be 132 plus 12, that comes to 144. So number of possible outcomes will be 144. As the candidate is taking a pen from the good one, so favorable outcomes will be 132. So required probability will be 132 divided by 144, that comes to 11 by 12. If the probability of winning a game is 5 by 11, what is the probability of losing? That's the total probability always 1. If the probability of winning a game is 5 by 11, then the probability of losing the game will be 1 minus 5 by 11. That comes to 6 by 11. Okay. Two players, Sania and Sonali, plays a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sania winning the match is 0.69. So what is the probability that Sonali winning? So here what is the given information, that Sania winning the match is 0.69. So the probability of Sonali will winning the 1 minus 0.69, that comes to 0.31. So probability of Sonali winning will be 0.31. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is a rate or not rate. Okay. So total number of balls 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So when a candidate is drawing a ball and the probability that it is a rate ball, so rate ball is the favorable outcomes will be rate ball, that is 3, and the possible outcome will be 3 plus 5, that is 8. So hence the probability that the ball drawn is rate is 3 by 8. Okay. And probability that the ball is not rate will be 5 by 8. So total number of balls is 8. So if it is a rate ball, 3 by 8, non-rate, that is the black ball, probability will be 5 by 8. A letter is chosen from the word triangle. What is the probability that it's a vowel? So if it's a vowel, then the word should be the A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So A is there, A, E is there, I is there, O and U are not there. So total number of the favorable, that is the vowel, will be only 3 out of the 8. See. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So our favorable is only 3. That is the vowel. So the required probability will be 3 by 8. A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. Determine the probability that the letter is a consonant. So if it is a consonant, total alphabets 26. If number of vowels is 5, then number of consonant is the 26 minus 5, that is 21. So if the required probability will be 21 by 26, as possible outcome is 26 and favorable outcome is 21.